my Valentine. Can I you to make you my temperature rise? If you leave me a good time, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need to survive, I'll be honest. I'm loving the thought